ALGORAND is currently in this very interesting zone, but will we finally see a bullish move or will we fall even deeper? In this video, I will talk about ALGORAND and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start the video, join my free Telegram group where you'll find daily updates on Bitcoin, ALGORAND and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. ALGORAND is currently ranked 65 among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.1 billion. Since the last all-time high, ALGORAND has fallen by over 96%, and as we can see, we are still in a downtrend. But we found support in this demand zone for the first time, where we first saw really bullish reactions in 2020. And recently we left this limit zone for the first time and entered the supply zone and even broke out upwards. That means this was a really bullish signal, but we only saw a candle wick here. That means we didn't get a body close above this last supply zone. And then there is often a chance that we will see liquidity above these last highs, take it and then correct to the downside. And that's exactly what happened, and we are now deep again into this demand zone. And in this larger blue diamond zone, there is also this interesting yellow zone. And as you can see, we formed resistance here once, corrected here again, but then they broke through and we tested this zone twice with this wig. And right now we are exactly in this zone, which means there is a chance we might get bullish support again. However, this zone must hold now, because if we break below here, the chances are high that we will continue to consolidate here in this lower demand zone, and if we break down through it, then that is a very bearish sign. Of course, Bitcoin is consolidating on a weekly basis and we don't have any trend movement right now. And if Bitcoin continues its bullish trend upwards, there is also a chance that altcoins like ALGORAND will keep rising. But other altcoins already look significantly more bullish than ALGORAND. On the daily chart, we can still see that we very likely took a lot of liquidity here, because most retailers are just below the last low. Stop loss packing. This means there are many sell orders here, and if we take these and then show bullish reactions, the chances are high that we can continue the trend upwards. Tanked a lot of liquidity here again. If we don't see a bullish reaction in the near future, the chances are high that we will see significantly lower prices. You see, this zone here is very critical between 12 cents and around 14 cents. If we break this upwards with bullish momentum, I think this is a great entry for long-term prices as well as for short-term ones. However, if we continue to consolidate here and then break down, I would still wait. Buy until we see bullish reactions again. Because as long as we see lower prices here but no bullish reaction, it would be a risk because the price keep correcting further until we see a bullish reaction, and if we see this, then I would invite again. On the 4-hour time frame, the price action looks quite bullish because we have seen a lot of wicks here, which means the price was pushed back up here, pushed up in this core area. And then from this last high, we saw a slightly lower low here and took a lot of liquidity here. And here too, we have many candle wicks, meaning no candle body that closed below here. If we break out now with bullish momentum as mentioned and break this high, it would be an initial sign that we can continue the bullish trend. And if we then if we break this high upwards, then set a higher low here and then make a higher high again, then we would be back in a bullish trend on the 4-hour candles, and the chances are high that we just continue to rise higher. And of course, this would be an optimal entry point for ALGORAND. The next price target I would aim for these highs here, because from these highs have fallen to the current low. This means from the current prices to the high, we would still have a potential of over 40%. And then it really depends on whether we also break through upwards, meaning whether this bullish power is enough to push the market upwards, or if we see bearish rejection again here, fall down. So guys, thank you for watching. I wish you much success in trading and see you in the next video.